Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we got a 2020 Subaru Outback. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the right and left taillights. Also how to tear down the doors, take the mirrors off. Battery replacement. All the seat belts are blown. I'm going to show you guys how to replace all the seat belts. Steering wheel airbag, knee airbag, computer. Pretty much a lot of work on this car needs to be done. If you guys need anything done on the car that you guys don't know how to do, comment on the below and we'll go ahead and make it, since we have the car here and we're repairing it. But today, for now, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the right rear tail light. You're going to require a Phillips and a number 10 socket. There's two plastic clips here. It's like a quarter turn clip. I'm going to show you. I'll pull it out with my nails. You're literally just a quarter turn, so it pops up like that. That's all you need to do, and then you just pull it out and it pops out. Very simple, very easy. I already did this one too. Pull it out. Okay, now this guy comes off somehow without damaging it. There you go. A little clip slides in here. I'm assuming that going back in, there's a little lip right here, connects into. And then two number 10s. One and two. And the taillight. I'm assuming if you grab it from here, it's a good tap on it and it'll pop out, and then you push down this tab and it'll come out. Sometimes you might have dirt stuck in there. There he goes. It pops out. That's the right rear tail light. It's got one tab here, two sliding clips here. If you come around this side, I'll show you. And to put it back in, plug this in first. So make sure you hear the click. And then you got to make sure that these two slide into these two right here, as this is the one that guides it in here. So if you go from here, you can see it. I usually try to get those two in line first. It only goes one way. Don't force it, or else you'll break it. And then you can feel the clip. You hear that pop? That's all you need to do. And then put these two 10s back in. If you get a hand tool, use a hand tool so you don't break the plastic. I'm not hard tightening it because you'll break it. And then this thing, there's a little notch right here on the tail light. I don't know if you can see it from here. This little notch thing goes into here. So you can see it from here. And then like that. And then put these guys back into one, two. And that's how you replace the right rear taillight on the 2020 Outback. 19 is a different body style, but it's probably the same, if not the identical way of removing the taillight. This is a 2020 model. It's got the black housing. Turbo, non-turbo, I think they're all the same. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to get on our website and see what kind of parts we have, go to ahparts.com, alphahenryparts.com. Guys are pretty helpful with parts they supply to us. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and look forward to some newer cars we have coming in. Have a great day.